Toweis Yakub is fighting this Saturday, making his international debut against Ian Paul Lara. Yes, उसका last name Lara है. And I know इस fight में you guys are thinking कि मेरी prediction is gonna be very obvious. ये बंदा हर बार इंडियन फाइटर्स को चूज करता है. इसने कौशिक साई कुमार को चूज किया, इसने अंशुल जूबली को चूज किया. ये सोचता भी नहीं है अपनी प्रेडिक्शंस बनाने से पहले. There is no point watching this video. I promise you, this is not that kind of video. So if you are someone who's genuinely interested in finding out इस fight में कौन जीतने वाला है, can Oweis Yakub actually win on the global stage? Let's talk about it. तो Oweis सिर्फ कोई ऐसा वैसा फाइटर नहीं है. He's carrying the entire region of Kashmir with him. वो बड़ा हुआ पुलवामा कश्मीर में, जहाँ obviously there was no real MMA scene. कश्मीर छोड़ो, पूरे इंडिया में तब कोई MMA scene नहीं था. Oweis का सपना was always to be like his idol, जो अब हम सब जानते हैं as one of the most dominant UFC lightweights ever. Lightweight छोड़ो, one of the most dominant UFC fighters, pound for pound number one at one time, Khabib Nurmagomedov. खबीब को देखते देखते ओवेस गया डीप रेसलिंग और ग्रैपलिंग में. एंड ग्रैपलिंग और रेसलिंग आज जैसे हम देख रहे हैं करंट यूएफसी सीन में, करंट एमएफएन सीन में, रेसलिंग इज दैट वन चीट कोड which every fighter is using and winning their fights. Doesn't matter कितना भी boring उनको बुला सकते हैं, जो भी दागिस्तानी fighters हैं. Ultimately they are champions. They are winning at life. तो who cares? Khamzat Chimaev just went 25 minutes with DDP doing nothing, holding him down. Who cares? These guys are winners, they're winning. So this has been historically one of the toughest martial arts to master for Indian fighters. अंशुल जूबली के पास इतनी अच्छी wrestling नहीं है. मृदुल सैकिया के पास नॉट रियली, अर्शियान मेमन नॉट रियली. चंगडेंग कोरियन जो हमें लगा था हैड गुड रेसलिंग, अल्टीमेटली गॉट डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय रविंद्र धांत, राइट? इन कमिंग बैक टू ओवेस याकूब, वो अपनी पहली फाइट हार गया. ही लिटरली लॉस्ट हिज डेब्यू एंड दैट्स गॉट टू बी क्रशिंग फॉर यू एज अ फाइटर. जब आप पूरी जान लगा देते हो, यू गो ऑन दिस जर्नी कि मेरे को एक फाइटर बनना है, and then you lose your first fight after all the sacrifices you made. आपको पता है कि कितना कम पैसा है स्पोर्ट में, आपको पता है आपने क्या क्या सैक्रिफाइस किया है बस इस पॉइंट, इस फाइट तक आने के लिए, and you still lose it. Imagine वो कितना demotivating होता होगा for Oweis. लेकिन he never quit. He bounced back after that fight and is currently on a 3-fight win streak. उसने हमें दिखाया कि he can go to the distance. 2 of his 3 wins have come by way of a decision win, जहां उसने क्लियरली अपने ओपोनेंट से बेटर परफॉर्म किया था. और इस अप्रैल he got his first finish in his fight against Shetty Pratik. लेकिन as good as Oweis has gotten, right, he bounced back from that loss. हम सब ने देखा है उसकी जो रेसलिंग है, it's his core strength. Unfortunately, उसकी स्ट्राइकिंग स्टिल लुक्स वेरी एमेचर. बड़े बड़े ओवरहैंड्स थ्रो करता है, अपनी चिन कभी कभी ऐसे ही खुले में छोड़ देता है. And honestly, he gets hit more than he should. उसकी पिछली फाइट्स जो मैंने देखी है, he's been getting tagged quite a lot क्योंकि उसकी चिन ऐसे हवा में, जब वो अपने बड़े बड़े ओवरहैंड्स थ्रो करता है, he forgets to actually tuck back his chin and get back into a defensive position. This is a massive problem क्योंकि जो उसका ओपोनेंट है Ian Paul Lara, yes, stop laughing at the last name, मेरे को पता है. उसका जो ओपोनेंट है Ian Paul Lara has got a knockout in the first 9 seconds. No, I'm not joking. No, I'm not making this shit up. अगर आप Ian Paul Lara के टैपोलॉजी में एक बार जाओ एंड जाके उसके रिकॉर्ड को देखो, and I'll actually put the fight up here ताकि आप वो नॉकआउट देख भी सको. It was absolutely nasty भाई. It was absolutely devastating. मैं कह रहा हूँ मास्विडाल की जो नी नहीं थी जो हमने 5 सेकंड में देखी थी बेन एस्क्रेन के अगेंस्ट, it was literally similarly like that. And crazy बात ये है कि that was literally this guy's last fight. His last fight was a first round 9-second knockout. Can you believe it? What the hell? लेकिन मैंने पूरे वीडियो यही कहा है कि wrestlers आजकल के MMA landscape में they have an advantage. They have an advantage over strikers कि you've seen champions like Merab, Chimaev, Ankalaev. These wrestlers, these guys are absolutely dominating the UFC right now. So it's clear कि wrestlers usually have an advantage in all their fights. लेकिन in my opinion that doesn't apply to this fight. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि Oweis Yakub is someone who gets agitated very easily. And मेरे को बताने दो what I mean by that. I mean कि अगर आप जाके Oweis Yakub की पिछली fights देखो, You can literally see him getting tagged like crazy. Matlab, you could say he was like 3-4 punches away from being knocked out in some of those clips. Right? Defensively, उसकी capabilities are non-existent भाई. वो मतलब overhands throw करता है, लेकिन he never tucks his chin back. He never defends himself. He comes back. So a guy like Ian Paul Lara, who has that insane knockout power, right? Compared to Owais Yaqub, who is a great wrestler, but he gets agitated very easily. अगर कोई उसके साथ strike कर रहा है, अगर कोई उसके साथ brawl कर रहा है, वो वही उनके साथ करना चाहता है. He doesn't want to switch up the game. He doesn't want to play to his strengths. तो this really makes me scared for Owais. लेकिन ultimately this is a very fair fight. दोनों की चौथी fight है. दोनों have come off decent wins and both are inexperienced. दोनों की कुछ flaws है. Ian Paul Lara has great striking, लेकिन उसकी wrestling defense, wrestling offense ठीक ठाक है. It's not even ठीक ठाक, it's like average. Owais on the other hand, his wrestling is very good. Offense, defense, ground and pound. लेकिन उसकी जो striking है, overhands ऐसे ही फेंकता है. There's no thought behind them. उसकी defense I've already talked about is non-existent. So they both have each other's flaws. And in another scenario, a fighter like Owais would have won this fight. क्योंकि he's a wrestler. He can just keep him down, wrestle. अगर कोई आके तेरे को कह रहा है कि तू बोरिंग है, तू घटिया फाइटर है, तू लेम फाइटर है, तू एक इंडियन स्मेली फाइटर है, जो भी कह रहे हैं, हेट कमेंट्स, राइट? इग्नोर देम ब्रो. द टॉप फाइटर्स इन द वर्ल्ड आर रेसलर्स. द गाय यू हैंग आउट विद, Khabib, Islam, these guys are wrestlers, right? So just go and do that. Don't get agitated, don't get baited, and don't get pulled into his reach for you to get knocked out. Let me just run through the game plan because I've already started talking about it. Owais ke liye very obvious. Keep the fight on the ground. Hold him, control him, tire him out. You don't have to finish the fight in the first, second round. It doesn't matter, bro. What matters is a win. What matters is the momentum you have from your past 3 fights. Don't go back to the loss because then it's going to be very tough to come back. Not impossible. तूने पहले ये किया है, तू अपनी पहली fight हारा and you came back. लेकिन you know how tough that is. Keep it on the ground. Ground and pound him. Tire him out. And use your wrestling which you've been learning your whole life. You spent so much time with Islam, with Khabib, right? तू अपने आप को बुलाता है, right? That Indian fighter from Dagestan who went abroad, trained with Khabib and Islam and is great at wrestling. तो हम सबको वो अब दिखा. Show us that. Do whatever it takes to win this fight. I don't care if everyone says it's boring on this planet. Ian Paul Lara के लिए keep it standing. Make it chaotic. Make it कि Owais gets excited, gets angry, gets agitated. Make him feel some sort of emotions. ताकि जो उसने अपने पहली fights में दिखाई है, where he gets overexcited, throws overhands, leaves his chin open, do everything you can to bait him. And then hit him and you're gonna put him to sleep. Now for the prediction. देखो, I'm done being that guy who is always called biased to Indian fighters. क्योंकि I did pick Kaushik Sai Kumar to win. I picked Anshul Jubilee to win. I picked Arshian Memon to win. They didn't win, right? Get over it. लेकिन अब I'm done being this guy who's like, अरे ये बंदा इंडियन फाइटर है, this guy is from where I am, तो यही जीतेगा, मैं इसको ऐसे सपोर्ट करूंगा. And yes, Owais, मैं तेरे को सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. I want you to win. लेकिन I don't think you are going to win. I'm sorry if this offends anyone, लेकिन I have to be truthful with myself and with my predictions, and I can't put up a false prediction कि हाँ Owais इसलिए ये जीतेगा. To be very honest, अगर Owais लड़ता है how he has been fighting in his past few fights, he is getting put to sleep. मेरे को पता है ये बहुत बड़ा bold claim है, बहुत far fetched लग रहा है, लेकिन I truly think Ian Paul Lara wins this in round 1 or round 2 by a KO. If Owais doesn't follow his game plan, which is wrestle, keep him on the ground, tire him out, it is done. Because maybe he's gonna tag Ian a couple of times, he's gonna get excited, he's gonna reach in, and then जब वो वापस आ रहा होगा, like I said, he's gonna leave this chin open, like he's done in many of his fights, and that's when he's gonna get knocked out. I truly believe this is how that fight goes. अगर किसी ने जॉन सिल्वा वर्सेस डिएगो लोपेज देखी थी पिछले हफ्ते, I think this is gonna be exactly like that fight. Purely because दोनों fighters have nothing to lose, everything to gain. जो भी ये जीतता है is trying to make it spectacular, is trying to make it a finish, right? हम prelims देखते हैं UFC के, early prelims देखते हैं. All those guys aren't really fighting for decisions. They're fighting for finishes. They want to make statements. They want to get on the UFC account. कि देखो, look at this guy's crazy knockout. So that's the way I think this fight is gonna go. These guys are gonna give it everything they've got. लेकिन I don't believe Owais is gonna win. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Tell me who you guys are supporting. Obviously मैं Owais को support कर रहा हूँ. Just because I'm picking the other guy to win doesn't mean I'm against him. I want him to win. I'll be rooting for him to win and I'll be watching and supporting him. Let me know who you guys think is going to win in the comments. Hit the like button. Subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.